It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 19th of July. I'm Michael Groff. We are in the monsoon soup, partly to mostly cloudy sky, humid conditions, and a chance of showers and thunderstorms will be with us, with increasing rain chances as we get to the second half of the week, and temperatures will continue to trend down. In fact, we may have a couple of days where we don't even reach the century mark. How about that for mid to late July? Of course, the usual question still around: how much rain might we get? When is the best chance for it to occur? And we'll get into all of that and everything else in just a moment. But first, here's a look at the almanac from yesterday. 102 degrees, the afternoon high. 88 was the morning low. The normal high, 107. The normal low, 85. And as we take a peek outside here at 8:55 a.m., mostly cloudy sky right now, and we're sitting at 93 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it's muggy. Dew point at 66. Relative humidity 41%. Winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows high pressure sitting over the Rockies in a very favorable position to continue that east-southeasterly flow over Arizona, bringing in plenty of monsoon moisture. Disturbances occasionally rotating around that ridge to enhance shower and storm development. A very unstable air mass in place. The watch warning map, we've got red flag warnings up across the northwestern states, eastern Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and into parts of Montana. Also excessive heat warnings and heat advisories there, and moving out into parts of North Dakota. Elsewhere, flash flood watches for sections of the Tennessee Valley and in northwest Arizona, Mojave County, with a flash flood watch. Here's the convective outlook: a marginal risk of severe storms over parts of North Dakota and Minnesota, as well as southeast Texas. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so while no organized severe weather is anticipated, there will be thunderstorms around, and any one of them could become severe. Here's the precipitation outlook, valid through next Monday morning. Rain amounts in Phoenix between 2/3 and 3/4 of an inch, with 2 to 4 inch amounts for the rim country, the eastern mountains, and along the southern border. Of course, any one spot could get locally heavier amounts than what's shown here. This represents an average across the region. But make no mistake, active weather will be in place across much of the greater Southwest through the upcoming week and going into the weekend. And we'll talk about it in more detail as we get into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure over the Rockies and east-southeasterly flow aloft across Arizona, bringing in plenty of monsoon moisture. So down at the surface today, partly sunny, warm, very humid. High temperatures 100 to 104. With that high humidity, it will certainly feel warmer than that. So our heat risk up in the moderate to high range. Scattered showers and thunderstorms develop over the high country, and they will push from east to west or southeast to northwest into the lower desert this afternoon and tonight. And isolated storms could just pop up about anywhere at any time, given the unstable air mass that we have and so much moisture around too. This is our HRRR model, the high-resolution rapid refresh at 5 o'clock today. What you're looking at here are precipitable water values, a representation of how much moisture is in the air. Totals between 1.75 to over 2 inches here in southern Arizona, and that's as high as it ever gets. And so the atmosphere is just juiced up. So any storms that form today would be capable of producing heavy to perhaps even torrential rains at times and local flooding. And that's going to be a concern with storms throughout the week as moisture levels will remain elevated. Tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms around, overnight lows in the upper 70s to mid 80s. Now, the key word here is scattered storms. They will be hit or miss. Not everybody's going to get wet. But again, if you do, locally heavy rain and some strong gusty winds would be the biggest threats from any storm. Tomorrow, the ridge over the Rockies intensifies a little bit, so we may warm up a couple of degrees with high temperatures 102 to 106, but still partly sunny sky and scattered showers and thunderstorms firing up over the mountains, and some of those will get into the desert. On Wednesday, a similar forecast, but with moisture continuing to increase, I think temperatures might start to trend down at least a couple of degrees with the continuation of scattered to even numerous showers and thunderstorms. Now, the forecast after this starts to get a little bit tricky. Thursday and beyond, we will see a further increase in clouds as disturbances rotate into southern Arizona, but there is no way to time exactly when these features will come in. We just know that a generally unsettled pattern will be with us with a rather high-grade monsoon in effect. Mostly cloudy skies, showers and thunderstorms become likely. Storm coverage could become numerous to even widespread at times over the mountains. And the biggest potential risk from any storm would be heavy rain. So the flash flood potential will increase during this period as well. High temperatures on Thursday, right around 100 degrees. We might just barely get above that. Friday, we may not make the century mark with highs 95 to 100. And then Saturday, a continuation of scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms and high temperatures mid to upper 90s. So we're staying below average, but of course, the humidity levels will be high and there will be lots of clouds around. On Sunday, I think we'll start to see a small downtrend in the number of showers and storms, but still scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms will be with us, and high temperatures upper 90s to around 100. Let's go to a week from today, Monday the 26th. Ridge across the plain states, a trough to the west, and traditionally this would probably bring in somewhat drier air, but depending on exactly where that trough is, we could still see some pretty active weather with a mechanism for instability in that trough. So high temperatures would still be only around 100 or maybe just a little above that, with a continuation of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Then as we look out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 28th. The subtropical ridge is now centered over the plain states, somewhere around Missouri, and we're on the periphery of it, so a south to southeasterly flow still around. Scattered shower and thunderstorm activity will be with us. Temperatures may recover a bit, but with the ridge pretty far away and heights right around average, I don't expect that we would get all that hot. Highs probably still in the 100 to 105 range. And here's a look at precipitation here in Phoenix over the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble. The mean is around 1.25 inches. Got a few members there that are well over 2 inches. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Yes, that's a 95 that you see there on Friday. A reflection of just how much cloud cover and precipitation we very well may have here. And again, this is the national blend of models. Some of our deterministic guidance shows temperatures cooler than that. I've seen one run of the GFS that had us up at only 89 for Friday. So certainly more active weather will be in here for the end of the week, driving temperatures down before we start to see a recovery in temps as we get to next week. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so very much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Enjoy the rain if you can find it, and have yourselves a wonderful Monday.